Hi, I'm Harvey from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Vasco EVO. This bi-directional linear fitting is perfect for education, commercial and retail settings and can be suspended or surface mounted. Its bi-directional light output provides a 30% upward and 70% downward light ratio, with the option to select downward light only if required. Installers can also swap out the standard Opal diffuser for an alternative that achieves UGR 19 compliance, reducing glare for users. The Vasco EVO is CCT selectable between 3000K and 4000K. And features a power selection between two output levels in a single luminaire. An optional PIR end cap accessory allows for automatic on-off functionality, helping to save energy. This fitting can be installed as a single unit or as a continuous run, making it ideal for illuminating banks of desks or larger spaces. It can also be installed with a 90-degree corner connector, allowing for square or zigzag configurations. Available in black, white and silver, the Vasco EVO comes with a 5-year warranty.